Hey guys, JB here, and right now we're going to be taking a look at this Intex K2 Excursion Pro inflatable kayak. Now we wanted something that would last, so we did go for a slightly more expensive one, and Intex, they do make a range of different kayaks, but we got this Excursion Pro and it just looked a little bit more sturdy and robust, so this is the one we went for. Right, let's get this open and see what's inside. Well, we know what's inside, but we're going to be taking it out today. So I don't really want to take it in the box, so we'll get it out and have a look, and then we'll try and pack it all up again. So in here, instruction manual, and you've got a punch repair kit here. So you've got a little patch in case you need to fix it. I'm guessing these are the chairs. These are the paddles. 2 lots of paddles. There's the carry bag. Now it's quite a big bag. Yeah, that is quite a big bag, so we'll have a go putting it in the bag later. Here's the pump. Have a quick look at the pump. There we go. Double quick pump. And I'm not going to get everything back in this box. Okay, so in here we've got, it looks like in here we've got all the other bits and pieces. So the footrests, which are a really good feature. Be able to get a little bit more resistance when you're paddling. The fins, not quite sure what those other bits are in there. This is quite nice as well. So this actually fits inside the kayak, and you can put your sat nav and phone on there if you've got a holder, so that's quite a nice little feature. And then last but not least, it's the kayak. And the kayak itself doesn't weigh too much, but I know there is quite a bit of weight to it with everything. The box was quite heavy, so we definitely don't want to be taking the box out. So let's unroll this. Now this kayak is nearly 4 meters long, so I've put it outside, and we'll kind of unravel it and pump it up out there. I've got to apologise for the background noise. Roadworks, what a pain. So yeah, hopefully that won't disturb too much, but yeah, we'll unravel it and we'll pump it up. With this handy little pressure gauge, which you can just plug in without losing any air, get it to the right temperature, and then just release any air from here if you need to. That's really good, I like that. shot from above, and you can see it all ready to go in the back garden. Well, we haven't got any water in the back garden, so time to take it down, deflate it, bag it up, and out we go. Well, that was pretty quick, deflating that and getting it in the bag. But obviously I still need to get the seats deflated and in the bag. I've got the paddles, we're going to have a look at those in a moment, and the other bits and pieces. Now I think I've done it quite well, and there's a fair bit of space in this, so let's get these deflated first. I'm going to have to pump these all up again though soon. So we've got two little inserts here, and these go into the sides of the kayak for your fishing poles. I'll keep these, but don't think I'm going to use them. Here are the two fins. So let's have a look at yours. So they are light, they're aluminium. Yeah, that's good. Quite a nice sturdy paddle. That's left. That's right. Yeah, pretty good. Right, I'm going to pack this all up and let's hit the river. Teamwork. Action shots. Yeah. We just sit back and let the person in front do all the work. It's pretty sturdy. Feels nice and sturdy. Don't feel too worried about falling out. It's a little bit flowy today. Got a bit of a current in the water, so I might have to join in now and help. So